Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to Exploration Theme Parks, and today I am at Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California to ride some rides and to check out the all new renovated Camp Snoopy. Let's get to it. All right, just parked at Knott's Berry Farm. It's currently 9:15 in the morning. The park opens at 10 a.m. So like the general parking wasn't crowded yet, but I did see a lot of people at the front of the park. So I wonder if it's like groups or schools or something. It's a Saturday, but I feel like it's gonna be extremely crowded. So I'm not sure how much I'll be able to go on, but I want to go to Ghostrider first because I didn't ride it last time, and check out the all new renovated Camp Snoopy and possibly get a new coaster credit. Oh, and there is the wonderful, epic, incredible Ghostrider. But yeah, the new family kiddie coaster in Camp Snoopy is Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster. I think that's what it's called. And when I plan on doing Ghostrider, I usually do it first thing because that thing, like no matter what day you come, it'll get a long line. It's a slow mover, but if you've never been on it, wait for it. I just got into the park, heading to Ghostrider. Oh, they don't have it roped off right now.
They should make like separate lines. Este no está. Or they should make like separate lines.
I remember your Uncle Eddie. Your Uncle Eddie.
Alright, just got off of Ghostrider. Like waited like 10 minutes. Sat in the 10th row near the back. I love Ghostrider. It's like absolutely relentless. The laterals on that is absolutely insane. You get a bunch of airtime. That ending helix, you're just out of your seat to the left. Great ride, great coaster, world class. Got out on it early. It has a very long line now. Good way to start the day. Oh, and it's running 2 trains now, so that's good. Yeah, look at the line now, all the way back here. I'm not sure if they opened up all the cattle pens yet, but that's definitely a way longer line than I just waited in. So I might try to go get on Silver Bullet. I might have to wait in a pretty long line for the new family coaster. Just trying to figure out how I want to map out today. Decisions. Maybe I hop on Silver Bullet right now, go to Camp Snoopy, get on that coaster, maybe try to go get on xcelerator, and then come back to Camp Snoopy. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna go hop on Silver Bullet because there's like no wait. Let's go. All right, Silver Bullet it is, let's go. Yeah, I don't think Jaguar is open today. It's sitting right there on its second lift hill. Alright, so waited maybe like 5 minutes for Silver Bullet. I don't think I give enough credit to Silver Bullet. It's a solid B&M invert. It's got a nice custom layout. It's pretty forceful. The elements are super cool on it, super well timed out and spread out. And the ending helix is so cool, right above the water. And then even the brake run's pretty cool because you're super high up, you go right over the pathway. So yeah, Silver Bullet, great B&M invert. So 15-minute wait, it says, for Sierra Sidewinder. It's been a while. I do enjoy this coaster. It's just a slow moving line. So I'm jumping on it while I'm over here. Let's go. And look, they got some scaffolding up on Montezuma's Revenge, one of its spikes. Look at that. I don't think I've seen that before, the scaffolding up there, so that's good to see.
Waiting in line, please.
All right, just waited under 15 minutes for Sierra Sidewinder. I like that coaster. It's a very fun family roller coaster. I got some nice spinning on it. You get some forces on it for sure, but it usually has a very long line and it's a slow mover. So glad I got on it. It's been a little bit. And so Sierra Sidewinder is part of Camp Snoopy, and this whole area right here with like the fake grass and the picnic benches is all new. I kind of like it. It's nice, wide open, it gives you extra seating. And of course we just got off of Sierra Sidewinder right here. And what's interesting is it looks like they're doing some work on Montezuma's Revenge, so we'll have to check that out. I think those planes have always been here. So they still got some construction walls up. Beagle Express Railroad, I think this one's new. It's definitely a line for it. But yeah, they've been working on this for quite a bit now. Recently opened what they've been working on for the most part. But this is my first time checking out. So yeah, here's the new train, Beagle Express. It's cute, looks fun. And then yeah, so the bridges are open again through the nice waterfalls and rock work. Maybe check that out later. Yeah, these have been here. Still, like I said, they still got some construction walls in certain spots, but at least they pushed to get, you know, some or most of it open. I'm pretty sure I can ride this one. Let's go see. This is the new roller coaster in Camp Snoopy. They got rid of the old one, which was actually pretty good, but Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster. Let's go, new cred, shall we? So yeah, this one's actually manufactured by Zamperla. And I think it's got a little launch, a little tire launch over there. A little boost. Made it to the station. So I do like the trains. However, you know, and I do like the Snoopy in the front of the train because, I mean, it's good for kids, right? It's a kiddie coaster, family coaster, but it does take away from sitting in the front row because you won't be able to seat much. But again, I do like it. All right, here we go. All right, waited for 30 minutes for the all new Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster. Replaced the old school Timberline Twister, which was a super cool kiddie coaster. But honestly, I really like that. I really enjoyed it as a kiddie coaster. Don't get me wrong, still a kiddie coaster. It's Zamperla, and you know, it's one of your typical layouts for the most part. You know, you start off going through like a little helix. They got some sounds on the ride. They got some cool little characters, and they have a little S-bend and S-bend. But then what's really cool is it's a mini tire launch that launches you through the final helix. So it's actually a pretty cool kiddie coaster. Definitely a slow mover, and it's new, so it's gonna have some lines. So yeah, that's the cool new addition here in Camp Snoopy. And so far it's been my longest wait of the day. But again, it's actually like a pretty cool kiddie coaster. Don't get me wrong, it's not intense or anything. But yeah, definitely I can see how kids and families will enjoy that one. It is a pretty tight squeeze though for adults, just FYI. And we've made our way over to Fiesta Village, which Jaguar is currently closed. And I wonder if it's because they're starting to work on this bad boy. There's scaffolding up over on the other spire. And then this is all covered up. I don't know why, by the station. Maybe they're working on track underneath that. But that was not here last time. And then again, you can see the scaffolding on the vertical track over there. There's no track. But that's good to see. Because for a while here, we all thought this project was dead. Still don't know exactly what's happening or what happened. But I mean, supposedly with whatever manufacturer they were going, they ran into issues and there was lawsuits for all we know. But then Knott came out and said that the project's not dead. But yeah, we haven't heard anything since, so time will tell. Definitely would be great to have Montezuma's Revenge back. I think the new ones would be called Montezuma's and the Forbidden Fortress or something like that. But yeah, this was the last area they like renovated and upgraded, updated, new places to eat, cool new like fountains and statues and walkways and all that good stuff. So I love when parks do that, update their areas, keep them looking nice and fresh. But yeah, so far so good. I got on Ghostrider, Silver Bullet, Sierra, Sidewinder, and the new coaster in Camp Snoopy. I might try to go get on xcelerator, so let's go see what the line is and then just kind of walk around. These look new. Those are cool. That's a nice touch. Oh, crossing the train tracks. Let's go before we get hit. Gracias por visitar Fiesta Village. And now we've come across Supreme Scream S&S Drop Tower. Starting to warm up here, that's for sure. Yeah, it's been extremely hot in Southern California lately. But today's actually a little cooler than it's been, so that's nice. And there is Big Bad Xcelerator with the hydraulic launch out of the station. So good. Yeah, I have no idea what the wait is for xcelerator right now because their app doesn't really update in the morning, or it seems that way. It basically says all the big rides are less than 15-minute waits, which is definitely not true. You know, Ghostrider probably when I left this morning was like an hour wait at least. Oh, if I want my shins bruised, I can go hop on Ghostrider. Let's go hop in line. Wait time, we don't know. Let's go. Doesn't look too bad. The only issue is they run one train on xcelerator, so it's pretty slow mover, but I'm here, let's go.
Fight on the ground. Remember, this is the real thing. Once this big...
Alright, grabbing back row, let's go. Just got off of xcelerator. Only a 15-minute wait. That was fantastic. That hydraulic launch out of the station gets me every single time. And then even the top hat's pretty forceful and you get some airtime at the top. So xcelerator is so good. It's just so good to have this open at Knott's Berry Farm. So it's currently 11:40 a.m. I might go try to get some food and walk around the park a little more. But yeah, super happy that I've gotten on a bunch already. Well, Timber Mountain Log Ride looks like it has a decent wait going on this warm day. Since I was in the neighborhood, I just went with Panda Express. Let's go. All right, so now I'm nice and filled up from Panda Express. Yeah, the log ride has an hour wait at this point. Super cool log ride, highly recommend. I'm gonna skip today though. Yeah, and the app finally updated and it says Ghostrider currently has a 150-minute wait, which sounds about right. And of course we got the classic Calico Mine ride. Kind of want to go check out if there's a line for the train right now. Just pulled up, don't know if I'm gonna make it or not, but let's go see. Time to board, let's go. And we're off.
Himself was on hand for the dedication of this railroad, and his mission has been maintained here every day ever since. Great journey, and we'll see you back at the station. And a further reminder, please remain seated or in the region of your trip. Thank you.
Well, it looks like all the fingers are going to you. Something's going on here. You got my money? $5. Keep talking. Right in there for it.
train. Super cool. All right, just got off of the train. It's not a long train ride, but it's nice to, if you want to take a break from like a warm day or a crowded day, sit down for a little bit, enjoy some views around the park. So yeah, hopped right on it. Oh, and there's the new train ride from Camp Snoopy. That's cool. So yeah, I'm just making my way back to Camp Snoopy just to take another look around over there. Just because I kind of walked through it pretty quick. But all this stuff, like, it's new to me. I don't know if it's like a festival over here in Fiesta Village, if it's temporary, or I mean, they kind of look permanent. Who knows? This is nice. I like it. And then Jaguar, of course, is closed. Knott's Berry Farm, though, is definitely a beautiful park. It's not the biggest, it's not the baddest, but everything is done super well here. It's just a great park. It's just got a great vibe to it. And, you know, in Fiesta Village, they got a bunch of flat rides. They got Jaguar. They got flat rides throughout the park, which is nice. And Jaguar closed. Longest trains in the world. Made it back to Camp Snoopy. Yeah, they revamped some of the rides. I think they have 1 or 2 new rides. And they're still working on certain sections. Race today, wait time 30 minutes. Yeah, Knott's Berry Farm definitely has a cool kid area, like family friendly area, which a bunch of little rides over here that, you know, the parents can ride with your kids. So super fun. And of course they got the new kiddie coaster, which we did earlier. Like, look at this in the middle of Camp Snoopy. They just got a little river, waterfall, beautiful landscaping and rocks, and they got these bridges over here, which we are about to go across. Let's go. Like, look at this. Super cool looking in Camp Snoopy. It's Mount Charlie Brown in Woodstock. That's super cool. All right, let's go find the bridge through the cave. Coming up on the waterfall. Yeah, this section was closed off for a while too. Oh, are we gonna see the backside of water? Ooh, wow. Oh, here's the bridge. Let's go. Oh, made it. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? A rockety bridge. So that's gonna do it for my fantastic day at Knott's Berry Farm today. It wasn't as crowded in the morning as I thought it would, so I got on a bunch of rides in a short amount of time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And remember, never stop exploring theme parks.